I was sent this touchless toilet flusher thing from Kohler, and it's supposed to be pretty easy to install, and there's a video that I have on my phone to help the user get through it. So let's see if it really is that easy. I've already watched a little bit of the video and taken off the lid and to the canister and closed the toilet. I already put the batteries in. So the next thing it said to do was to take the chain off. So that is what I am doing now. And then I'm just going to follow what the video says.
Remove the handle assembly. Most handle assembly nuts will loosen by turning clockwise. Insert the hole cover into the handle opening in the toilet tank.
Alright, we gotta pause it. It's a little fast. So there, I took the handle thing off. And it came with a new thing to put in it so that there's no hole. Oh, baloney. Now, I didn't drain the water. The video says you should drain the water. And I'm assuming it's so that if you drop this little twisty guy, you don't drop it into the water a million times. There. Okay.
Thread the nut counterclockwise to secure the hole cover.
Okay, did that.
Install a pad near each corner of the tank rim to stabilize the tank lid.
Okay.
Place.
So it came with little sticker foam pieces, and it says to put them on the corners. So that is done.
Module upside down on the back side of the tank lid, against the inside of the lid ledge. Position the bracket upside down on the back ledge of the tank lid. Align the bracket to the tabs on the module, and note the number of the bracket slot closest to the bottom tab. Remove the module from the tank lid, and insert the top tab into the bracket slot determined in the previous step.
Okay.
Move the tank lid to a safe location. Position the module with the wheel directly above the center of the flapper.
The wheel above the...
If a vent interferes with the bracket position, install the supplied bridge over the vent.
Okay.
Confirm the hose does not interfere with the wheel by manually rotating the wheel. If needed, adjust the position of the hose. Confirm the tank lid is within 1/4 inch of the module for best performance.
Okay. Probably within.
If you are unsure if your module is in the correct position, place 4/4 on the module and install the tank lid. If the lid...
Alright, 4/4. Now, I have these 4/4 because I was watching the wrong video originally, and they gave that same tip. Okay, so... Now I think, I don't think I'm supposed to be able to move it that much. So I probably have it too high. So, I'm going to move it down one. That's up one, sorry. And try that. Okay. that seems better.
Touches the quarters, the module is positioned correctly within the proper distance of the lid. Adjust the position of the module on the bracket as needed until the module is within 1/4 inch of the tank lid. The module may lightly contact the tank lid. Return the tank lid to a safe location once the correct fit is confirmed. Extend the existing chain from the flapper to the wheel. If your chain is too short, connect the small clip on the provided chain to the existing chain. Attach the large clip to the chain link 2 links below the link closest to the wheel. Connect the large clip to the wheel. If you have a chain with a floated...
Okay. So mine is just barely too short. So I don't have to extend it very much. Okay.
Attached, do not remove the float. Connect the small clip of the provided chain to the existing chain.
Right.
Attach the large clip to the chain link 2 links below the link closest to the wheel. There should be a slight amount of slack in the chain, and the flapper should be fully seated.
Alright.
The chain should...
I actually think that's... Right now there's quite a bit of slack, so I think I actually just need to attach the new clip to the old chain. And I don't think I really even need the rest of the chain. We'll see. Yeah, that's all I needed was the extra clip.
There should be a slight amount of slack in the chain, and the flapper should be fully seated. The chain should run straight up and down. The chain should not slant underneath the module. Turn the actuator wheel manually to confirm smooth operation. Cut the chain link 2 links past the connection point.
I didn't turn off the water. I couldn't get the handle to move.
Install the batteries to the battery holder. Open the module lid and install the battery holder. Close the lid. You will hear a click when the clasp engages. Test module functionality by holding your hand above the module. There is a 10-second delay after each flush. The module will not flush during that time.
Mine doesn't seem to be working. So let's see. Make sure I put my batteries in right. Heard the snap. Nothing. Hey, cool. Look at that. All right, so it works.
Observe the components of your toilet. If needed, refer to your installation and care guide to reposition the module.
Nah.
Turn the water supply on and allow the toilet tank to fill. Flush the toilet to confirm proper operation.
And I did that. Yep. Looks fine.
Position the tank lid in front of the module on the tank and secure the emblem to the location of the module position.
Okay.
Wait at least 10 seconds after the last test flush and
Alright. It's easier said than done. Well, this thing is sensitive, isn't it? Let's see. I wonder how accurate it needs to be. I'm alive.
install the tank lid. Hold your hand 1 to 2 inches above the emblem to flush the toilet and confirm proper operation. If you are unable to activate the sensor immediately after installing the tank lid, wait a minimum of 5 minutes to allow the sensor to calibrate.
Alright. I wonder if that means I have it too close. Alright, so now I'm sticking my sensor. I'm hoping that it works. I do not know if I'll be able to re-stick it. It said to wait 10 seconds from your last flush. So, 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi, 8 Mississippi, 9 Mississippi, 10 Mississippi. Alright, here it goes. Yay! Huzzah! Alright. And that's it. Cool. So, there were parts that were a little harder than I thought they would be. Helps if you're watching the right video to begin with. Crucial, I would say even. But overall, not too bad. So, thanks, Kohler. And I will let you guys know if my kids enjoy using the handless flusher and all that. So thanks for watching. Bye.